I was sent this tallow balm. Now, tallow is from grass-fed cows. So if you are vegan, this is probably not the product for you. This is what it looks like. So the consistency is very thick, almost like a candle, although not quite that stiff, but definitely thick. So you do have to kind of rub it around with your fingers and maybe melt it between your two fingers. Now, you can put it on your face. It is okay for even sensitive skin. Just know because it does have a thick consistency, you may want to test it out on a small patch of your skin first. This one does have some honey in it, so you get a little bit of that honey smell. And you can use it on your face, but I like to use it the most on my skin. So especially like my arms and my legs after I get out of the shower, if they feel dry, this is super, super hydrating. So instead of just using moisturizing cream, I like to use tallow balm, and I find that the hydration is really, really good. For my skin, I tend to not use it on my face as much just because it's so thick, but I love it on my arms and my legs. Like you can just see the difference right there. This arm has it, this arm doesn't. You can see how hydrated this arm is instantly with the tallow balm. A little goes a long way with this. So one jar is gonna last you a really, really long time. And I love that it's all natural. So tallow balm has been around for many, many years, and it's gained a lot of popularity recently. So this stuff is minimal ingredients, very natural, and I think it's something you might want to try.